The salutations, YouTube, it's Hadrian here. Welcome to another episode of Goodwill Hunting. We're going to various Goodwills and see what treasures we can find. We are here at REHAB, which is one of my favorite Goodwill boutiques here in Anaheim, California. I can't wait to take you guys in there with me. But if you guys love thrifting and you love thrift hauls and vlogs, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the little bell to be notified when new videos do go up. Add me on Instagram, itsHadrian, just like it's spelled here. And check out my shop at itsHadrian.com to see what I have for sale from my thrifting adventures. But without further ado, let's go in there. Like, this area that this store's in is really nice. I love the trees. I love like the art installation thing over there that looks really cool. There's an ice skating rink over there as well. So let's go inside, check it out. Why is the camera blurry? Let's go. Here's what the building looks like, you guys. It's amazing. It literally kind of looks like an Urban Outfitters. The building is so cool. I love it so much. Ooh, let's see what's on sale. Women's jeans and sleeveless shirts, men's jeans and tees. Happy New Year, 25% off. Ooh, okay, cool. Check it out, you guys. Look at these Ferragamo shoes. Tommy Hilfiger. So we got this Vince Camuto. See how much. Ooh, the inside is kind of dirty, but this is a laptop bag. Oh, here's the tag. $25. This is a fake Louis Vuitton for sure. This was almost the Burberry. Last time I was here, I found those Gucci shoes, which was very exciting. There's some Bass, Bostonian. These Cole Haans are cute, but I remember those are like too small for me. But I love that style. Allen Edmonds. Oh my gosh, these look big though. What size are they? Size 13, I think. I tried them on. They're like literally ginormous. Roberto Cavalli. Oh, these are Roberto Cavallis. 20 bucks. Maybe I'll try those on. Oh, those are kind of cute too. You guys see that? These shoes are very intense. These are the Roberto Cavallis. They're huge. Look at these Adidas Stan Smith shoes, you guys. I love the color. Is like kind of really cool. Nikes, Reeboks. Oh, are these New Balance? I kind of like the color of these. Oh, I love the color on these. 25 bucks. They have these Clarks. They're size 12 though, but they're like literally brand new. Check out these St. John's. They're actually really cute. I wonder if mom would wear these. This is what I got so far. So I have the New Balances. I'm gonna try them on. These St. John's are really cute. I'm considering to get them. Mom might like them, but like I found a rain stick. So cool. I really want one of these. I think I'm gonna get this. I'm really sad, you guys, because these do not fit me. They're huge. They're size 12. They just didn't look that big when I was holding them, but they're actually rather large, but they're so stinking cute. I really like the color combination. Like, this is like my dream color combination. Alas. Alright, you guys, they brought out a cart and I just like grabbed everything. So you just grab it first before you look at it. But there's definitely a fake Birkin, so note of that. Plastic. There's also this fake Gucci, which is also like really bad because it's like super plasticky, but you know what, I grabbed it anyway. There are these Yeezys, potentially, possibly, maybe real. We're gonna have to do further research on that. There's this Dooney and Burke, which looks to be authentic, but how much is it? Let's see, $20. We'll see on that one too. St. John's, probably real. Fake Louis Vuitton wallets. Really fake Louis Vuitton wallets. Fake Chanel. This is the, I forget what it's called. Right, yeah, definitely fake as well. Also 25. there is this Tory Burch right here. Tory Burch checks out. This is authentic, $25. Really cute. Yay. Alright guys, I'm looking through the bags. Why does this kind of look like a Kate Spade, but I don't think it is. No, it's a guess. Kind of cute, like the style of it. Forever 21. Here's the rest of the store. Ooh, these pants are kind of fabulous. They're like sequins. Wonder who makes this. Arden B. Kind of cool, right? Kate Spade. If there's any cool like jackets or anything. Is this like fur jacket or like this like green jacket with like the fur trim is really cute. It's $25. Trying to find like a cute jacket, maybe like for mom or something. Oh, that's cute. Living the dream. Yes. This dress is also pretty. This clutch is kind of cute. Kind of reminds me of like one of those Dolce & Sicily bags by Trouvé. Adrian Vitadini. Studenberg little pouch. Genuine leather. Sparkly shoes. Yes, Salvador Ferragamo. Boutique shoes for 30 bucks. Those are cute. Like that color. You guys, there's this Diana Vreeland book. It's the Laura one. This book is so nice. I love the photos. This is pretty fabulous. I'm gonna look through the rest of the books really quick and see if there's anything cool. Glamour. There's Led Zeppelin. Hey guys, I just left the store. I got some really good stuff. So let's go home and I'll show you guys what I got. Hey guys, okay, so we are back at the house and I'm super excited to share with you guys what I got. I love Rare so much. Don't they have like the best stuff? I just want to buy everything. I wish that I could like literally go there every single day because they're one of my favorite stores. Anyway, let me start off with the stuff that aren't bags. So I primarily got bags. The first thing I have here is, okay, so I had to get the Street Fighter sushi dish set, and it is so stinking cute. I literally want to make sushi tomorrow just so that I can use this. And John is like, why did you get me one? And I was like, sorry John, there's only one. We'll share the one plate. So it's so cute. This is for the soy sauce, and it has like the little characters on there. Oh my gosh. There's, is that his name, Dalsum or something? And then Ryu, and then Chun-Li. So that's super cute. And then the regular plate. Definitely want to take this out and show it to you guys. It's so stinking cool. I think I'm just going to actually leave this out. I'm going to throw out the box already. Because I definitely want to start using this already. But look at the plate. Isn't that so cute? Oh my gosh. So yeah, there you go. So adorable, so fun, and best believe this is gonna be up on Instagram soon, or like in a vlog or something, so you guys can see it because it's so stinking cute. The next thing I have here is I had to get this rain stick. I always wanted one, ever since I was little, and now my childhood dreams have come true, and I finally have a rain stick. Zach and I were playing with it the other day when I first brought it home, and it is so stinking cool. But I feel like it brought the rain though, because it did start raining a little bit the day that I brought this home, like at night. So cool. Oh my gosh, love it. Gosh, I don't even know really like what like rain sticks are really for. And I remember like I don't even, yeah. They're just really cool. I really like them. I'm just gonna like leave it out, and like when people come see it, they're like, ooh, what is this? Oh, it's a rain stick. Okay, onwards. Let me start off with these guys. Okay, so I did find this really cute, small, fossil, like, I don't know, you could put like a phone in here maybe, or you could put your cards. Oh, my receipt's in here. You can put like your cards in here, like right there. There's also a pocket on the back. There are a couple little pen marks on the back, but like a bit obvious. They're not like super obvious or anything. But it has like a little wristlet, and it's just really stinking cute. It's just a little leather fossil case right there. Then I love these two pieces so much. First is this beautiful Tory Burch golden brown continental wallet. I love the stitching on the T. It's beautiful. And this is just like a really great wallet. I think it's so nice. And it was such a great price. It was only $7.99. So I feel like that's pretty amazing. I love it so much. So there's that wallet. And then here's the next one. This one I love as well. This one is gorgeous. And it's in this beautiful quilted pattern. And there's like the Tory Burch medallion on the front, and then inside it's just like that. This will fit an iPhone that's not the plus size, just like the regular iPhone will fit in here. There's like a special pocket right there, or you can just like stick it inside there as well. But yeah, just like a really nice 3/4 size wallet. Use it as a wristlet. Gorgeous. So there. Two Tory Burches! Love it. Okay, so next thing that I have here, I love this bag. I think it's so gorgeous, and it's this Marc by Marc Jacobs brown bag, and it's like embossed leather, but it's like worn, and it's really beautiful. I love it. So it just says like the Marc Jacobs monogram all over it, and then this. You pop this down, and then look at the lining inside. It's like gorgeous. It's geometric and colorful. It has a long crossbody strap. It's like a really nice bag. So I'm very excited for this guy. And these are, they're all going to be up in the shop as well. So if anyone's interested, itsHadrian.com. This one is this one is my favorite find, I think, for me of the day. And it is this gorgeous Tory Burch tote in gray. It's like a Saffiano type leather with silver hardware. It's so pretty. It has like the little luggage tag on there. There's a pocket in the front, and then the interior is this beautiful brown leather. Like it's a golden brown. It contrasts so nicely, and it's really pretty. And this guy was $25, which is such an amazing deal for such a gorgeous bag. So that rounds out today's video. I feel like every time I film a video, I leave something out, but I can't believe I left these out. So I can't believe I found these. These are so cool. I found these Nike Supreme collab shoes in this royal purple. They are gorgeous in a size, I think these are a size 10.5. Size... Wait, oh, the sticker's right here. Size, 10.5. Size 10.5. They're actually in really good condition. They're like, not like super worn in. There's a little bit of like wear on like the heel right there. But they are, other than that, like the shoes are in pretty good shape. They're actually like really nice and clean still too. So whoever had these took a really good care of them. And these were, I think they were like $20. So isn't that awesome? No, I think they're $30. I already rubbed off the thing on the bottom because I was trying to clean them. But yeah, $30. So beautiful. Love these shoes so much. I haven't found any Supreme at the Goodwill for like a really long time. So finding those shoes was like so exciting. It's like now I'm just like trying to like put it out in the universe to find more Supreme in the future. So maybe we can get our hands on some more Supreme stuff at the Goodwill, at the thrift store. Yeah. Right. So thank you guys again so much for hanging out with me and checking out all these amazing finds. I'm like, oh my gosh, I was so fortunate to have found all this stuff. And it's like literally, like it was like during one of my last thrift trips of 2018. I know you guys are going to see this in 2019, so I feel like this is like such a great way to start the year with like such awesome finds at the Goodwill. So I hope I can like inspire you guys, motivate you guys to go out, go thrifting. It's so much fun, and if you guys have never gone, definitely try it out. You'll never find anything unless you give it a chance. So that's all I have for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, please give it a big thumbs up. Say hi down below in the comments. I love talking to you guys. And let me know if you guys have found anything really cool recently, because I love hearing about your finds as well. If you guys have been to Rare or any Goodwill boutiques as well, let me know. Those are my favorites. I love them so much. I know, again, like Goodwill boutiques and then Goodwill outlets are sometimes not people's favorites, but I say just give all of them a try, because you're never going to know what you're going to find. And you never know what's going to turn up, honestly. You can find some amazing stuff at any of those places. So give it a shot. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye! Alright, you guys, I just got to the Veterans Thrift. I feel like everything's gone already, like literally. The shelves were so much more full, like the past time I was here. When was I here again? Ooh, $10 for the Student and Brooke. This one's cute. There's a little bit of discoloration on the bottom, but not too bad. What color